guztien eta une batean egiten duen atmosferaren egunera prezipitazio eta temperatura. Gure atmosfera oso kudeatuta dago. Eta denbora batean iko gara. Erabili bizikleta ez kontaminatzeko. Eta eropatineko. Sua ez erabili zeren berekea kontaminatzen du. Dugu atmosfera zaintzeko. Reziklatu. Ez bota plastikorik itsasora. Atmosfera oso kutsatuta dago. Estratosferan ozono geruzak zulo bat du. Hau Groenlandian konprobatu zen. Han eguzkizpiak jausten direlako. Horregatik, hango izebiarrak desegiten dira. Horrela jarraitzen badugu dena desegingo da. Bizikletez joan eta ez kotxez, zergatik horrela ez dugu kontaminatzen.
Hello, my name is Noah.
And my name is Alasmi.
Hello, we are going to tell the weather forecast in Alternate. Today is going to be snowy. The temperature -2. So take your jacket, glove and scarf, and you can go ski.
Tomorrow is going to be sunny. The temperature is going to be 50. You can play a frisbee.
Tomorrow -10 grads and snowy. Put on your snow boot. Goodbye.
Hello, my name is Odei.
And my name is Olaf.
We are going to tell the weather forecast in Alternative Castora. Today is going to be rainy. The temperature is 2 degrees, so take your umbrella.
And tomorrow is going to be stormy and the temperature is going to be -2 degrees. So stay home.
Hello, my name is Luke.
And my name is Lee. We are going to breakfast in Alternative Castora.
Today is going to be snow and temperature is -2 degrees. Put a jacket and gloves.
My name is Martin.
And my name is Alay.
We are going to tell the water in Alternative Castora. Today is going to be snowy. The temperature is going to be -25.
Tomorrow is going to be windy and the temperature is going to be 8 degrees. And put on the jacket. You can go to park and play kite.